Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PayPal Seller Insights highlights on LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate PayPal Seller Insights highlights on LinkedIn, start by opening your LinkedIn profile. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu at the top of the page. Click on the Me icon, which displays your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. On your profile page, locate that Add Section button near the top. Click on that Add Section button to reveal various options. Select Recommended from the drop-down options. Then, find and click on Add Featured. In the Featured section, choose the Links option to add a new highlight. Open a new tab in your browser and go to the PayPal Seller Insights page. Log into your PayPal account if prompted. Once on the Seller Insights page, look for the Insights or Analytics section. Copy the link provided for your Seller Insights highlights. Return to your LinkedIn tab and paste the link in the designated area. Add a catchy title and description for your highlights to engage your audience. Make sure the content highlights your best features and achievements. Click Add or Save to finalize the addition to your profile. Your PayPal Seller Insights highlights are now activated on LinkedIn. Take a moment to review how they display on your profile. This enhancement can help attract potential clients and partners. Now you're ready to showcase your PayPal selling achievements on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.